Hi everyone, I'm Soumya and welcome to Dreams DIY. In this video, I'll make fall decor and holiday decor using Dollar Tree stuff. So let's get started from the beginning. Although this wood plank is from a thrift store, but Dollar Tree also has an option. This one right here. And today I'm going to use both of these to make two different wall hangings. And this bigger one, I'm going to make a fall themed wall hanging. I painted the front side of this plank with a white chalk paint. I ran out of white chalk paint, so I'm painting the back side of this plank with Waverly's mineral paint. It's chalk paint, but it's just in a color mineral. I will now be painting the smaller wood plank, which is from Dollar Tree, also in the color mineral. Make sure that you also cover the sides of the plank. They are equally important. Moving back to the first one, I had this broken piece of chipboard. It's actually from Walmart. It was a full circle, but it broke, and I used it earlier for some other project, but then this broken piece I had and I kept it to use it somewhere else. So I'm painting it in the Waverly chalk paints mineral color as well. If you don't have anything like this, it's alright because it's not needed. It's just an additional thing. I already had it, so I'm using it. Now that the paint is fully dried, I am sticking this broken piece of chipboard. I'm using my hot glue gun to paste this. Now these cute leather pumpkins are also from Dollar Tree. I got 2 packs of them. One was the bigger ones and the smaller ones. And although these cotton flowers are from Michael's, but Dollar Tree also carries cotton flowers. And I saw them later after I'd already bought them at Michael's. But you can pick them up at Dollar Tree if you want. And these pine cones are also from Dollar Tree. This blessed leather sign as well. These maple leaves are also from Dollar Tree. So you can say this is exclusively a Dollar Tree project with just one or two things which are not from Dollar Tree, but that also can be substituted with stuff from Dollar Tree. I tried to fit these leaves in, but they did not fit, so I did not use them eventually. It's really challenging to stick a pine cone because it has crevices, so it kind of slips from the plank and it doesn't stick properly. So what I did was I pasted the cotton flower, and then I put glue over the cotton flower, and then the pine cone got stuck better. So that's what I did to stick the pine cone. So as you see, the chipboard that I pasted underneath, it doesn't make any difference to the project, so you can totally skip it. What I'm doing now is that I'm plucking out pine cone, and I want to make these pieces of pine cone appear as if they are dried up leaves. But when I was plucking them out, I figured that they were kind of breaking, so it didn't work well, so I left it at that. Now if you want, you can stop at this and let this plank be as it is, But I went one step ahead and I took out my brown yarn. Well, this yarn is not from Dollar Tree, it is from Amazon. I will provide you the link to it as well. But Dollar Tree also carries yarn, so you might find brown yarn there as well. I'm wrapping the yarn around this cutting board so that I have macrame strings of equal lengths. So that's the trick I use to make macrames. I cut the yarn from one side and now I'm sticking the yarn at the back of my plank with hot glue. Be careful while doing it because I often burn my fingers while sticking yarn, because so there are gaps between strings, and that's how I always end up burning my fingers. These white pom-pom yarns that you see here, you can get them at Amazon. And see how beautiful it has turned out to be. A gorgeous fall decor. Now with the second wood plank, this is from Dollar Tree. I'm going to stick these felt flowers and leaves on this, and I'm going to make it into another macrame. So I think I got these flowers and leaves from a dollar store, but not Dollar Tree. I don't remember from where they are exactly. Probably they are from Dollarama. I might have picked them up on my Canada trip. So yeah, I'm going to stick all these leaves and these red roses on this plank. And also red pom-poms. This red pom-pom lace, I got it from Amazon and I'm going to provide you the link of this. I wrapped around my red yarn around this cutting board and I'm going to stick it on the plank. This red yarn is from Amazon and I'm going to link it for you, but as I mentioned earlier, Dollar Tree also carries yarn, so you might find a red yarn there as well. Don't you think these red and green colors are making it look like a bit of holiday decor? And here it is. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with very interesting videos for you very soon. Till then, please take care and bye-bye.